This is a 1.5 year update of this unit right here. This is the Mediae 14,000 BTU right here. This one is a heater and AC unit. It's got the hybrid hose right here, and we have found no other unit that cools as well as this one. And not only does it cool, it also provides heat. So we've had it for 1.5 years. It's been through 2 summers with us and 1 winter, and it does not fail. It works super well. Now I would say in the summer months it keeps us nice and cool, and it does not have any condensation or any water drainage that we need to do, because there's a pan inside that automatically evaporates and we never have to worry about water. However, in the winter when we use it as a heat, and boy does it warm up our room super well. It's very quiet and it heats up the room super well. It doesn't blow the hot air in your face. It provides a strong amount of air that is properly flowing around the room, so you get a nice warm heat without like hot air in your face. However, when we use it in the winter, there is a lot of water that drains out of the machine. If you look right here, this is the hose that comes out and it drains into this bucket right here. Now we could pipe it out to the window, but we just drain it in a bucket because it's easier, and in one day it can fill out the entire bucket of water. So it does drain a lot of water in the heating mode, but on the AC mode we never have to drain it. And it's a dual hose and super easy to install. Literally it's in our window, and that's how quickly it is to install. The dual hose is more elegant than 2 hose in that it's one piece, but it's dual hose operation. I'll show you right now. When you take this out right here, this thing just slides out and you can take the unit, and it's running right now, but you can even see why it's a hybrid hose. You see, this one is the exhaust. I can feel the exhaust right now, and this is the intake. It's pulling in cold air right there, and you can see that's how the dual hose works. And it's super easy. It's essentially a dual hose, and it makes it look very nice because unlike a traditional dual hose, it's one unit that looks very clean, right? And to install it, you just slide it onto the window just like this, and you're good to go. We've had this in our window for a 1.5 years, just like this. You don't need any extra installation. You could if you want to, but we just use it like this and it works. It works super well. That's it. That's how easy it is to install this awesome 14,000 BTU dual hybrid hose, heater, and AC combination. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. If anything happened to this one, I would buy another one right away. There's a black version and a white version. The white version is harder to get, but they work the same way. The black version looks cool, the white version looks cool as well, and they both will cool you really well in the summer and keep you nice and warm in the winter. This is an AC unit that we actually love for the AC and for the heater, which I was surprised how good it works for both heating and cooling. Super impressed with the Mediae 14,000 BTU heater AC combo with the hybrid dual hose right here. Oh yeah.